hiding from them charges, hoping for a boost. Oh, he's running for the White House to stay out of jail. With his orange hair high and his stories for sale. He's dodging them handcuffs, he's scared of the cell. It's not for the people, he's scared as hell. He's talking about the country, but he's looking for a deal. He ain't fighting for freedom, he's just looking to steal. He's trying to play the system, but it's all a disguise. 'Cause if he don't win, he's in for a surprise. Yeah, he's running to save his skin, and you can see he don't care about the people. It's all about me. He's afraid of the courts and he's dodging the law. If he loses this race, he'll be caught in the wrong. His rallies, yelling real loud, but behind all the noise he's just a scared little child. He's hoping the presidency will keep him safe, but deep down he knows he's just making a getaway. Oh, he's out there preaching, but it's all a front. He's more worried about prison than a real fight to confront. He's got no real vision, just a way hiding behind the office, hoping it'll pay. Oh, he's running to stay free, and it's all too clear. He's cowardly, fighting with nothing to fear. He don't care about the people or the nation's need. He's just scared of the cuffs, running from his greed. Trump with his cowardly play, running from justice, trying to make his getaway.